Hey, am I pretty? Today, let's take a look at the birth of the circular rail. I am still a part and I have arrived at the factory. My brothers moved me to the production workshop. The brothers said to make the track even smoother. My operation will be smoother when I am running. This is my part. Let's start the trial makeup. The first is a straight track. And then there is the circular rail. White umbrellas are set up. I'm already taking shape. So the next step is assembly. Continue pretending. Taking shape. Without further ado, let the show begin.